Welcome to A&A Driving School. Today I'm going to cover another test route from Huddersfield Test Centre. So let's start the test route. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon button for the next upcoming videos. So as I'm driving out of the test centre, going through the green gates, I'm going to turn right. So I check centre mirror, right mirror, signal right, and I position the car in the middle. Look both sides clear, and go around the cars into the left lane, and I'm going to turn next left. Check center mirror, left mirror, signal left. Check right side is clear. I'm going to turn left again, so mirror checks, signal left. My right side is clear, so I don't need to stop, so I carry on driving. Oncoming cars have priority, so I will stop at the giveaway lines to let the cars go past. Follow the arrows in the middle of the road and then come back to your side. Another giveaway junction, so I slow down. When you have cars parked in front of you, please don't follow the cars at this point. Just wait for the cars to clear the road for you, and then you can continue. The red car trying to get out, but it was waiting for me to go past, so I carried on. Guys, remember, when you have a situation where you have cars parked on both sides of the road, slow down, reduce your speed. This truck trying to turn into the road, so I'll just slow down, let the truck take the turn. So at the roundabout, we are going straight ahead, second exit. So as you can see, the cars parked on both sides of the road. So I'm expecting if there's a car coming from the opposite side, they're gonna come onto my side of the road. So I reduced my speed and looked. At this traffic light, I'm going straight ahead. So give myself enough room so that I don't block the cars on the right side, as there's a bus stop on my left side, on my right side. because 30-mile road, so keep up with the speed limit. Pedestrian crossing, slow down, scan both sides of the road. It's clear, so I continue. At this traffic light, I'm going straight ahead, please. So you can see far ahead, there's cars parked on my side of the road, and there's cars parked on the opposite side of the road. So I need to establish priority. So this car in the middle is already there before me, so he's going first. Now that the road is clear, I'm going in the middle of the road and I continue with my drive. So I see an oncoming car. So assess the gap, see how big the road is. If the road is wide enough, you don't need to stop for that car, so you can continue. I'm turning left at the mini roundabout, check center mirror, left mirror, signal left. Look to my right side is clear, so I don't need to stop. I can see pedestrian crossing, so drop my speed, ease off the gas, scan both sides of the road, is clear. I'll pick up my speed and carry on. At the traffic light, I'm going to turn right, so check center mirror, right mirror, signal right. So the reason I signaled here is because there's single lane and then it splits into two lanes. So you need to tell the people behind you which lane are you going to go on. So I want to move into the right lane, so that's the reason I signaled. Again, pedestrian crossing, scan both sides of the road. If it's clear, continue. So I'm approaching this traffic light. I'm going straight ahead at this traffic light. And if you look on the road, there's a marking, an arrow pointing to the right. So that means you can go right only. To be able to go straight ahead, you have to avoid that arrow. You have to avoid going on top of the arrow. So you have to turn the car slightly to the left side, and then you can carry on straight ahead. So I will show you how you do that properly. So I'm moving off. So as you can see, this car stopped on the right arrow. So I move to the left here, and then I continue straight ahead. Remember, if you go onto the top of the arrow to go straight ahead, you will fail your test. So you have to make sure that you avoid the right arrow and go to the left to be able to go straight. Approaching the roundabout, I'm turning left, taking the first exit. So check center mirror, left mirror, signal left. I'm slow approaching the roundabout. Look to my right side is clear, so I don't need to stop. I continue with the drive. lot of learner asks if this road